The pilot is in charge of operating the aircraft safely. A pilot can work for commercial aircraft, helicopter for the distribution of goods and information, as well as small X-9 aircraft. But quick variant if it turns a pilot has a big responsibility as an airplane crew. In terms of aviation security and safety, the pilot is the most important figure and takes full responsibility. During the flight, the pilot is authorized to take various measures to prevent disturbances in flight security and safety. For example, if there are passengers who endanger the flight, the pilot has the authority to decide whether the aircraft makes a U-turn or makes an emergency landing at the nearest airport in order to drop off and or hand over the passengers to airport authorities for strict action. Requirements to become a pilot are physical hard, of course, also support by specialist skills and foreign language skill. Physical examination are even carried about routinely after starting work as a pilot. If one does not meet the criteria in physical terms, a person cannot continue working as a pilot. Pilots cannot only have a career flying commercial transport aircraft. A pilot is also needed to charter flight helicopter pilots, bus operation pilots, as well as plantation pilots. Women becomes pilots? Why not? How many female pilots in this world? Even United Airlines employs 7.4% of female pilots. The co-pilot's duties are to accompany the captain on duty. When the captain is flying the plane, the co-pilot is to monitor the running of the engine and help the captain in navigation. The co-pilot does not have to have a rank below the rank of captain. It could be that the co-pilot and the pilot have the same rank as for, because the co-pilot is not an assistant, but is called a vice captain. That is the reason why a pilot is accompanied by a co-pilot. When running the plane, of course, a captain or pilot needs to help to fly the plane, and the person helping him must be an expert in running an airplane. Cooperation between pilots and co-pilots is very important. If the pilots and co-pilots are not compact, it can endanger the safety of passengers and themselves. In running the aircraft, it turned out that not only a pilot plays an important role, but a co-pilot is also very instrumental in helping a captain or pilot in terms of navigation or other matters related to running an airplane.